What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back into Sugar Fingers. As the title reads, I'm going to be talking about these chai essentials products here. I've been using them. I took them traveling with me, and y'all, I just have to express my wonderful excitement about these products. I have not purchased the full size yet because right now I am on overload of shampoos and conditioners and products for my hair. So right now I'm just going to try to, whittle through all of this stuff before I do purchase any more shampoos. Y'all know you just cannot hoarder all of this stuff and just leave it sitting around. So I'm going to go ahead and, take care of all of this before I get into any more hair shampoos, conditioners, and so forth. So first, let me start off with the shampoo here, the Chai Essentials Replenishing Shampoo. This little kit, of course, I got it when my Avon order came. It was a sample set, but it's quite a bit of product in here, especially for my short hair. So it is still lasting, and again, I have basically used it here at home once and a couple of times while I was on the road. But talking about the Chai Essentials shampoo and all of the products, the key ingredients in these Chai Essential products is aloe vera, which is going to help lock in moisture and reduce frizz. They also contain pomegranate. Pomegranate contains pH balancing properties to clarify the hair. And then hibiscus, which increases the elasticity to encourage fuller, thicker looking hair. That's what I love. The key ingredients in the Chai Essential products is so amazing. It's so nutrient rich. That nutrient rich blend of the aloe, pomegranate, and hibiscus is going to provide your hair with balanced care for the hair and the scalp while helping to maintain nourishment and shine. So the replenishing shampoo, back to it. It is a gentle daily shampoo that won't strip your hair of its natural oils, and it's safe for even color treated hair, which I thought was amazing because your girl hair is color treated and it's nutrient rich. Again, those wonderful ingredients: aloe vera, pomegranate, and hibiscus. And I also have the Chai Essentials Moisturizing Conditioner. Y'all, my hair feels so good, so soft, so nourished after this entire treatment of these Chai Essential products. The moisturizing conditioner is super lightweight, and it gave my hair moisture. What it does is strengthen the hair from roots to ends. It increases the hair elasticity and helps to reduce split ends and frizz. Absolutely, it does. The nutrient-rich blends also are just top A1 in this product. And then to add that shine to my hair, I love this Chai Essentials Repairing Serum. A lot of times hair looks dull and dry, and that's because it is lacking the greatest thing of all, a wonderful serum. This serum is deeply penetrating, yet it's lightweight to help strengthen and protect your hair, to moisturize it and smooth your hair. It creates a shiny, frizz-free look with this restorative formula. And then to top it all off, the Chai Essentials Thermal Protecting Spray. This spray is infused with essential nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants. This is a styling spray that helps provide superior protection from thermal, heat, and environmental damage. It locks in moisture and seals the cuticle for shiny, frizz-free hair. And y'all, all of these products that I not mention to you, they're sulfate-free, paraben-free products. Love them so much. Again, once I whittle down some of the other shampoos and conditioners that I do love, what I'm going to do is purchase me the full size of these. But I keep this in my travel bag. It came in this convenient little travel pack that I just put it in there and I'm ready to go. But some great products here, do my hair well, and I truly love them. Just bringing it to you, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for tuning in right here on Sugar Fingers. Take care of yourself, and remember to keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Bye now.